Hi guys, Julian here, just at Morley Train Station site. Yes, thank you for joining us so far. Just going to walk over to the Morley Train Station and have a look at what we can see. So it's still very much an active work site, construction site, but should be able to get a good glimpse of the train line. Yes, here we go. So coming up to the Morley train station, it will be the very first train station on the Morley-Ellenbrook train line, with of course the Naranda, Belladura, Whiteman Park and Ellenbrook preceding it. So this station has been constructed as a island station, island platform, and it's just in the middle of the median strip of the Tonkin Highway, just like the just like the Murdoch and Bull Creek train stations that would be pretty similar to it. A bit more like the Murdoch station, this one just a little bit more flashier. So get a glimpse. This is my first time having a look, of course, at this station. So they were running trains, test trains on this Ellenbrook line yesterday, being Wednesday, and they did have, as I could see from other enthusiasts posting, they were including the information boards as well. So they just down below have all the ticket information. Now, as I was coming through on the bus here, you could see that they had not the fare gates, but just the smart rider processors. Let's see if I can. So this is another entrance to the station. Just a real quick view. So, yes, just the top part of station roof. Okay, we'll see if we can get a better shot. So here's another shot, and we've got the, don't know if you can see it, the signal as well, and the line just veers off the curved edge there. That's the Metronet sign for the Morley train station, and that's the bus station there. Of course, you get a better view on the day that it's opening. At the moment it's a bit hard to have a look just because it's all fenced off and they've got security, but I will try and see if I can get a better view at ground level. So the entrance will of course be where the 344, I think it is, or 343 route turns left for Morley car park, and yeah, that's outside of the train station. Okay, so just walking down the path here to the PSP alongside the Tonkin Highway, and as you can see, we'll get a better shot at ground level of the new train station. Now, I was hoping to film the bus route 342, but was unable to, so there are videos that have been posted by other enthusiasts that you can look at. Just go on the website, go onto the YouTube rather, let's have a look. There we go, so here we go. This is your first look at the Morley train station from ground level, and on the passenger information display screens it just says platform not in use. Now, very interestingly, they've decided to install the Smart Rider processor at the platform level, which is something that we have not seen at one of these island platforms before, other than of course the Greenwood train station, which that's not an island platform, that is side platforms. It just looks really weird, and they've got the sign on as well for the Morley train station. Now, very sorry about the noise. It's of course quite noisy with the traffic, and it's just echoing under this underpass of the Broun Avenue. But here's your first look at this magnificent train station. The very first along the Ellenbrook line after the train line branches out from the Midland line and the airport line. So here's the double-storey car park, the multi-car park. Beautiful. That's the overpass. Here's a better shot of the train station. Would be good if there was a train actually going through here. And yeah, the passenger display signs say platform not in use, so won't be expecting a train to go through here. Would have been better to have gone yesterday and had a look. So it's just a fancier, pimped up version of Murdoch train station along the Mandurah line. And the signal is red. I'm not sure if they've got the PA announcement switched on yet. I could hear something, probably just the standard no smoking, no vapes, or low luggage to be left unattended at the platform stuff. But I gotta say, this is a pretty epic station. Love the architecture. Looking forward to coming here and giving it a proper look at on the day. But one would be mistaken definitely for thinking that this was somewhere along the Mandurah line, because it just has that sort of vibe about it. And I'd imagine if the Mandurah line was built today, it would have these sort of similar architectures. It would be a bit more constructed, more state of the art. There's the red signal obviously going towards Ellenbrook. Magnificent. Certainly not going to get this view from the PCA. Before the opening day. Here we go. Oh, get that pole out of the way. I'm just taking a few photos to share. Okay, beautiful. A bit perfect. Okay. Hey guys, thank you for joining me today for this brief video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and keep informed for the new Ellenbrook line opening, which will be officially the 8th of December, with the passenger services commencing from first service on the 9th, Monday the 9th of December 2024. Until next time, happy transporting. Bye for now.